My cutie, you're so hungry, yeah? You're chasing for this dog food. Huh? Huh? This is our first time. Is this your first time? Oh my cutie. Sorry, cutie. At least you want to eat rather than you don't want to eat. Oh, are you pregnant again? That's why. Oh my cutie.